Look at that sweet boy. And then there's Puffin. Puffin, Puffin, Puffin. You're losing more of that winter coat. Okay, I'll get him fed and get to work. Aw, it's so sweet. The Twinkie is looking a little lopsided. We had an incident. The person that parked it back here had the front jack up way too high, and when my friend took the tires off, it crushed the jack stands. The jack stands that are under it are rated for 8,000 pounds each, but because the front end was raised so high, it just crushed them. Unfortunately, that one right there went right through the aluminum. So that will have to be patched. The other one just shattered. Good news is the tires are off. Oh my goodness. At least he didn't get hurt. Thank goodness he didn't get hurt. But now, my plans, of course, it's supposed to rain. Yeah, go figure, it's supposed to rain. This thing is stuck for the night. So hopefully it won't rain. It'll just be like another fake rain. And we'll have to get this fixed. And now I have to put my artistic skills, because my friend is the one that actually named this the Twinkie. So I have to put my artistic skills to work and create a t-shirt that says, "Crushed by a Twinkie." Fortunately, he didn't get crushed, but man, he was not happy. He was really, really mad. I can't say I blame him. I'd be mad too, especially when, you know, something like this could kill you. So, but we're just gonna continue on and, yikes, go for the humor of it. I had this little metal thing underneath that I was going to turn into something, and it's settled on top of that too. This is Frank's Tire Shop in, I think this is Rosenberg, Texas. They're doing an excellent job with these old tires. The old tire, 1993.
Tires on the Twinkie?
Getting Twinkie tires. The guy's even cleaning up the rust off of those. That's amazing. Walmart wasn't going to do that. Walmart couldn't even get the tires on it.
Walmart broke their own shit.
Yeah, they broke their own equipment.
That's sad.
And here comes the tire that Walmart tried to get off, but they couldn't. Probably made it a challenge for him.
Watch him just pop it right out.
Wow.
Well, they tore the beat up on that one.
They did.
You know, that water trash.
Ooh, Walmart made it tough.
This guy, look at him. Getting it done.
There we go. You can do it. Shoot. There we go. That was shoot. S-H-O-O-T.
2 hours on one tire. This guy just did
Yeah.
it in, what, 3 minutes?
Actually, 2 hours and 2.5 minutes.
Oh, 2
From rolling it from the door to the thing.
Oh, no good.
Amazing. Walmart bent those rims all up. Goodness, the bead's still good underneath.
This is amazing. Walmart, 2 hours, couldn't even get one. This dude is truly badass.
Oh man, that's just... Holy moly.
Oh, we can't get your rim off. We're going to have to reject them after we bend one.
Yeah, they rejected these tires because they couldn't get the rims off. Wow. And he even cleans them up. Amazing. Wow, I'm impressed. I might be impressed with the build too, I don't know. But it's done right.
Knock the rust off that thing.
Yeah. And he's meticulous, that's nice. They have.
Who cares as long as it holds there, right?
Hmm?
I don't care as long as it holds there.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Hold on. Huh?
It's really leaking out over there.
You tell me.
Quite the fiasco, but one side's done. Oh my gosh. Well, the front end is in the ground, but we got tires. Oh my gosh. So in a day or so, it'll get moved to where I can finish it. Wow, thank you guys. Thank you so much for your help. Whew. I'll tell you. Look at that. Today is Wednesday, May 22nd, 2019, and I just came down to open up the Twinkie, let her air out a little bit. In a few hours, I hope I'll be down here to secure things. So I gotta put, make sure all this stuff isn't laid to where it's gonna go flying and stuff. I'll just put it on the floor and stuff like that. Because hopefully, today will be moving day. Because she got her new shoes. And I am stoked. And what a ordeal that was. But look, we got new shoes. Awesome. The damages, at least it's underneath. Let me see if I can get the phone under there. There we go. I don't know if it's showing or not because I can't tell. We'll just kind of do that way. Okay. So that's where the jack stand went through the frame of the RV, but you know what? It's underneath. It can be patched. So that's a good thing at least. Here, unfortunately, we got a lovely dent. So that's not cool, but there's not much I can do about that. I just need to check it. Let me run the phone under there and see if it catches anything. Yeah, that split right there. So another fix will have to happen there because of this falling off the blocks. So when you store these, don't block them up real high like that guy did. Of course, I knew nothing about travel trailers. I have a motorhome. Now I have a travel trailer, and I am learning. So anyhow, at least she got her new shoes. This dent along the side here happened with the previous owner. He ran into it with his truck. He got drunk, I think. That under there, I'm not sure. I think that may have happened from the fall. But, oh well, it's cosmetic. Doesn't mean I can't finish my renovation and move in. So, here we go. So hopefully, my next video will be of the Twinkie moving into a site with water and power. Look how nice and high she sits now. So I'm liking that.